Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your Google search history from your Google in a very simple way. You just simply go for your Google Chrome browser and then you just need to open your Gmail over here. And after that, what you can do, you just need to come over here, you can see into this icon. And then you just need to click on manage your Google account. And from here, you just need to come over into the data and privacy at your left side. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see some history setting over here. Also the same for the web and app activity over here. So after we click on the app activity over here, and from here, you can simply set a auto delete option. So if you just click on the auto delete option, and if you can simply register how much older history you want to delete. I want to go for the 3 months and then click next. And as you can see, the deleting now option is now showing over here. So if you click on confirm and got it. And now you just need to click on manage all web app activity. Click on that. And here you'll find the all activity. You can see it's now loading. So if your loading completed, you can simply click on delete. And if you want to delete all time, you can simply click on all time. If you want to delete the last hour or the last day, there are simply some customized option over here. Also, there is a option for custom range. Click on that. And from here, you can simply mention the date where you want to delete your all activity. We can simply delete all of your Google Chrome or Google account activity history in your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.